Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone. I hope you all in a good condition. My name is Dicky Fernando, one of student in Serang University. Today I want to discuss about Microsoft Paint. Okay, what is Microsoft Paint? Microsoft Paint or Paintbrush for Mac OS users is a simple raster graphics editor that has been included with all versions of Microsoft Windows. The program opens and saves files in Windows Bitmap or BMP, JPEG, GIF, PNG, and single-page TIFF formats. The program can be in color mode or two-color black and white, but there is no grayscale mode. For its simplicity and that it is included with Windows, it rapidly became one of the most used applications in computer for the first time. It is still widely used for simple image manipulation tasks. In July 2017, Microsoft added Paint to the list of deprecated Windows features and announced that it would become a free standalone application in the Microsoft Store, and also include a warning in the Paint application that it eventually won't be installed by default. However, Paint continued to be included with Windows 10 in later builds, and eventually an update removed the deprecation warning from the application. Next, history of Microsoft Paint. The first version of Paint was introduced with the first version of Windows 1.0, in November 1985. It was a licensed version of Zsoft Corporation's PC Paintbrush and supported only 1-bit monochrome graphics under a proprietary MSP format. This version was later superseded by Paintbrush in Windows 3.0 with a redesigned user interface, true color support, and support for the BMP and PCX file formats. In Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 2000, and Windows ME, Paint can open JPEG, GIF, and 48-bit or 16 BPP TIFF image, and save image in JPEG and GIF format when appropriate graphic filters are installed. Such plugins are included with Microsoft Office and Microsoft PhotoDraw. This also allows Paint to use transparent backgrounds. Support for PCX files was dropped starting with Windows ME. The canvas size expands automatically when larger images are opened or pasted instead of asking. The version of Paint in Windows 7 and later features a ribbon in its user interface. It also features artistic brushes composed of varying shades of gray and some degree of transparency that give a more realistic result. To add the realism, the oil and watercolor brush can only paint for a small distance before the user must right-click, or this gives the illusion that the paintbrush has run out of paint. This version supports viewing, but not saving, transparent PNG and ICO file formats, and save files in the PNG file format by default. The Windows 8 version of Paint mostly corrects a long-standing defect from previous version involving the inability to scroll the windows when editing in zoom view over 100%. However, when inserting text in zoom view, the user cannot move the text beyond the zoom viewport while the text windows is in edit mode with either the mouse or keyboard. In the April 2017 Creators Update for Windows 10, Microsoft released Paint 3D alongside Paint. In addition to the traditional two-dimensional drawing tools, Paint 3D can import and manipulate three-dimensional models. 3 months later, on 23 July 23 July 2017, Microsoft added Paint to the list of deprecated Windows features. The next day, in the wake of an incredible outpouring of support and nostalgia, Microsoft clarified that Paint would become a free app on Microsoft Store, even though Paint 3D offers the same functionality. Paint, however, remains a part of all versions of Windows 10. The closest Microsoft ever got to enacting said decision was adding a removal notice to the Paint's user interface in Windows 7 version 7003 and 7309. Next, function of Microsoft Paint. Number 1. Microsoft Paint can be used to draw, color, and edit pictures, including imported pictures from a digital camera, for example. Number 2. Microsoft Paint is found in the Windows Start menu within the Accessories folder. Number 3. It can save creations in standard format, such as JPG, and BMP. Number 4. Paint can enable painting by dragging the mouse and using different types of artistic brush or pens that can give, for example, a watercolor or oil effect. The paint also runs out on certain brushes after a period of time, so that the brush needs to be put back into the color again, as if it was a real painting brush. Number 5. More recent version of Paint allow up to the 3 colors to be picked at a time using the primary color with left mouse click, the secondary color with right mouse click, and the tertiary color with the control key on the keyboard and any mouse click. Features. Number 6. Features included in Paint are pencil, brush, and airbrush tool. The ability to add text, line, and shapes. Also include are an eraser, magnifier, and fill colors tool. The last one, many complex graphics software applications have concepts that are included in Microsoft Paint, and the same principles can be applied in this from running within Microsoft Paint. Okay, there is a material that I can discuss today. Thank you for listening. See you again at next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.